I want guacamole and chips, but I don't know if I should buy it or home make it. I know, I'll make it. So I went to the store to get ingredients. Avocado, lime, tomato, jalapeno, cilantro, yellow onion, garlic, tortilla, and we got the goods. Let's make guacamole. It's time to make guacamole. I got 2 sisters. One, Maya Bain. She's Bear. She is my #1 assistant, and then the surprise assistant, Mr. Bear, or Dora Chen. Yeah. So step 1, you have to cut open 3 avocados and get the green edible stuff out. And make sure you don't knife your hand. Then the next step is to crush. Third, we add all of the ingredients. We add jalapeno. Then we add tomato. Next, we add cilantro. Then we add onion. Then we add a very tiny bit of garlic. So next, Dora, if you hear that in the background, she's having an aneurysm. So next we have to add the lime juice.
Not that much.
All of it. And then we have to mix it up. Something, we need a pinch of salt. We're done with the guacamole, but we still have to make the chips. Now we have to make the chips with, again, my assistant, Maya, and Dora and Bear are taking a break. So next, to make the chips, we have to cut tortillas. I'm gonna use this pizza cutter to cut them. But, so you guys don't have to wait through it, we can use a tiny bit of magic. And done. So step 2 of making the chips is we have to separate half the tortillas, the little chip things, put them in a big bowl, and then my assistant will spray a bit of cooking oil in there. And then we have to toss it around. And we have to get a good coating on both sides. Nice. We do the same thing with the other half. So next we have to wait. I actually forgot to preheat it. So we go. Let's do that.
A few moments later.
Now we just put these chips on put the chips on the thing. So we have to put half the chips, and then we have another baking sheet for the other half. Now we put it in for 10 minutes. Okay, it sounds and smells like the chips are done, so I'm gonna take them out. So now, it says that we have to wait another 10 minutes to let them cool. So, again, see you in 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So the chips are done. So they're not hot anymore, so we can just hold them, put them here. So now we have to make a very pretty presentation.